So I'll just ask you guys this. What is y'all's philosophy on money, just generally? I know, Teddy, you just said you're a type of person who likes to save money, but generally, how do you guys view money as a whole?
Money grows on tree. That's how I view it.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
That's
Yes,
cool.
Same thing. Like my whole motto is that my parents, almost every single day, Taylor, money does not grow on trees. I'm like, stick it up, you guys. I am saying money grows on trees, and I'll explain to the audience why. So we have this money tree, right? But everything starts as a seed. You have your seed of budgeting, then you have your roots. These are your emergency funds, your savings accounts. They help you in times of storms or in times of hurricanes, really bad weather, for example, COVID, that you can rely back on these roots as your strong foundation. Yeah. Then you have your primary source of income, which is that trunk. Again, it's a little bit stronger than anything that's up the tree. Yeah. Top of the tree is things that are not guaranteed. So you can think of investing, but investing can have extremely high rewards when you do it right. And that's the really plentiful action of where the money actually comes from. And so you have all these people in society who are just doing the regular 9 to 5, who aren't really focusing at the top of the tree because they're so focused at the trunk. But if you're able to, take some more risks, obviously depending on your risk management, you can turn your side hustle into a business. You can invest in real estate or alternative assets and really start to grow this money tree and make your money work for you. And so Tady and I are totally aligned on that mission and statement. And it's so powerful. It really is.
I love that. That's a great analogy of how to think of money. So money does grow on trees after all.
It does.
I love that. Nobody has ever put it to me that way. I love the way you guys put it. That's really good. I think I saw either Tady, I think you posted something like that, either on your story or something like that. And I really like it. I might have to steal it from y'all. You gotta go trademark it because I might have to steal it from y'all. So Tadia, you talked about being an entrepreneur. So I just wanted to get a little bit more of both of y'all's story because both of y'all are not like me. I'm a W-2 employee. Y'all are in the 1099 space of running your own thing, running your own business and all that kind of stuff. So I just want to ask y'all, how'd you get started with just putting all of that together? How has that been going? And then what are some of the challenges that you guys are facing doing that?
I'll go first. For me, when I decided to quit my job.
I hope you enjoyed that little snippet of the Rambling Mind podcast. If you want more of the Rambling Mind podcast, or if you want to listen to the whole episode that you just heard, go check it out on any podcast listening platform, whether that be Anchor, Spotify, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Breaker, Stitcher. I could go on, but you guys already know which podcast you love to use to listen to. So go check it out. Link down in the description as well. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.